so nice to see how big our group of volunteers have grown.
In January, there were a bit less turtles, so to keep patroller spirits going, we had a treasure hunt. And then the turtles started coming.
So it was really tough at the beginning to make sure that people are coming to the patrol and that they are also telling us whether they are coming. So
it's been fun, but it's really tiring, especially when you have work the next day, and especially since we patrol till 2:30.
And after patrolling finishes, at that time 2 a.m. there's no public transportation. We would wait until 5 a.m. Until there is public transportation.
Our boarding house owner says that to leave from the boarding house because of the petrol, but we don't give up. After a lot of search for a boarding house, finally we found a boarding house, and now we are here to petrol.
දෙහිවල බීච් එකේ ලයිට්ස් ගොඩක් වැඩි. ඒක ටර්ටල්ස්ලාට ලොකු ප්‍රොබ්ලම් එකක්. මොකද මේ යාර ඇවිල්ලා ආයේ හැරිලා යනවා.
ඒ අතරින් එක දවසක් තිබුණා එක පැයක් ඇතුළත කැස්බෑව 5 දෙනෙක් ආපු. ඒ දවසේ රෝලර්ස්ලා 4 දෙනයි හිටියේ. ඇත්තටම අපිට එදා ඒක මැනේජ් කරගන්න පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරු වුණා.
90% of turtles are endangered or critically endangered. Those kind of statistics are very alarming.
Every minute was worth it because like seeing a turtle, it just makes all worth it.
හිතා ගන්න බෑ පළවෙනි පාරම කැස්බෑව දැක්කම හරිම පුදුමයි. මට පුදුම සතුටක් දැනෙනවා.
பட் எல்லா சேனல்லையும் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணக்குள்ள சேனல் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணாலும் இங்கே வந்து பெட்ரோலிங் பண்ணுறது ஒரு ரிலாக்ஸிங்காக ஒரு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைங் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் பெட்ரோலிங் பண்ணுறது ஒரு எனக்கான ஒரு ஒர்த்தாக தான் நான் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறேன்.
And honestly, the experience has been amazing. You get to learn a lot about things that's happening on the beach, not just about the turtles.
If our efforts could help with the survival of this species, then yeah, it's all well.
Would be seeing hatchlings for the first time. It was not a plan released by the Coast Guard or anything, it was very sporadic. It was near a temple. Seeing that and then having the opportunity to guide one of the little hatchlings to the sea was the most memorable moment for me.
අපිට මේ ට්‍රේනින් එකට ආපු ගමන් ගල්ගිස බීච් එකේදී ට්‍රේනින් එක දෙන වෙලාවෙදිම කැස්බෑව එක්ක ඇවිල්ලා බිත්තර දාන සංසිද්ධිය. ඒක මතක ඉතින සංසිද්ධියක් වුණා. ஸோ லாஸ்ட் இயர் வந்து எங்களோட நெஸ்ட்டுக்கு வந்து அகப்பட்டு ஒரு ஃப்ளிப்பர் இழந்து போன ஒரு டர்ட்டில் பற்றி. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஆக்சுவலி நாங்கள் பெட்ரோலிங் பண்ணக்குள்ள அந்த டர்ட்டிலை வந்து நாங்கள் பார்த்தோம். அவளுக்கு பின்னுக்கு ஒரு ஃப்ளிப்பர் இல்லாமல் தான் இருந்தது. ஸோ அவள் ஆக்சுவலி அவளோட ஹோல் கூட டிக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்பவே கஷ்டமாக இருந்த டைமில் நாங்களும் கோஸ்ட் கார்டாக்களும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணோம் அவளுக்கு அந்த டிக்கை வந்து இதாக்குறதுக்கு, ஹோலை டிக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி அது எனக்கு ஒரு ரொம்பவே அன்ஃபர்கெட்டபிளான மெமரியாக இருந்தது.
Seeing turtle has become more of an emotion, and it's so emotional to watch them leave their babies to us and go back into the ocean.
අපි අර කාර්යබහුල ජීවිතයෙන් එහාට ඇවිල්ලා අපේ මානසික සුවය වෙනුවෙන් මේ මුහුද දැකලා මේ සත්තු දැකලා ඒක අපේ අර ඔළුවට නිදහසක් ගෙනල්ලා දෙන වැඩසටහනක් විදිහට දකින්න පුළුවන් මේක.
It's really been a basis for community. I love to find community through conservation, which I did back in the US, and was a starting place for me here.
On one hand, it's protecting turtles which come to nest in the beaches of Colombo, but on the other hand, it's also a learning experience for everyone who participates.
I feel I've learned so much from doing this patrol, not just about turtles, but about sort of Sri Lankan culture and the way that people interact with the amazing like marine environment that you've got around.
කැස්බෑව බලන එකට අමතරව ගොඩක් දේවල් හම්බෙනවා. අපිට අලුත් යාළුවෝ හම්බෙනවා. ඒ වගේම මෙතන ඉන්න වටපිටාව ඉන්න කට්ටිය හම්බෙනවා. අපිට යාළුවට විස්තර කරන්න හම්බෙනවා. කැස්බෑව ගැන කියලා දෙන්න හම්බෙනවා. ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් අවස්ථා හම්බෙනවා.
The thrill of protecting this ancient travelers became so addictive to me. Every day is a new experience, new adventure, and a new nest to God.
ටීම් ලීඩර් කෙනෙක් විදිහට මම ඩිෆිකල්ටිස් විදිහට පීපල් මැනේජ්මන්ට් පැත්ත තමයි 15 දෙනෙක් විතර මැනේජ් කරන්න. ඉතින් ඒක ගැන සෑහෙන අත්දැකීමක් ගත්තා ටර්ටල් පැට්‍රෝලින් වලට අමතරව. ඒ ගැන මට ගොඩක් සතුටුයි.
I hope to see more new volunteers in next year and do a better conservation for Turtle Petrol. And thank you everyone who joined Turtle Petrol 2025.
I urge you all to please come join us. There's a lot more that we don't know about the ocean, especially about turtles. So yeah, see you soon.